Experian Boost updates your credit file after it successfully identifies eligible bank transactions and adds them to your Experian credit report, usually after your linked bank data is verified and processed. By the end, you'll know how long updates typically take, what causes delays, and what you can do if your Boost changes aren't showing up. Start with the core timing. Experian Boost does not update instantly in most cases. It needs time to scan your linked bank account and identify eligible recurring payments. Now explain what happens during processing. Once you connect your bank, Experian reviews your transaction history for qualifying bills like utilities, phone services, and subscriptions. It then matches those payments against its eligibility system before updating your credit file. Now explain why timing varies. The update speed depends on how quickly your bank connection syncs and how clearly your transactions can be identified. If your account data is clean and easy to read, updates tend to process faster. If transactions are unclear or delayed from your bank, updates can take longer. Now explain a common misunderstanding. Many users expect Experian Boost to change their credit score immediately after linking an account. That does not happen in real time. The system has to verify and confirm eligible payments first. Now explain what users usually see. After a successful Boost update, changes appear inside the Experian app under your credit report and Boost section. If nothing appears, it usually means no eligible transactions were found, or the data has not finished processing. Now explain what delays look like in practice. Delays usually happen when the bank connection is new, unstable, or missing transaction history. It can also happen if payments are bundled or not clearly labeled as recurring bills. Now explain what to do if it's slow. First, check that your bank account is still connected inside the Experian app. Then make sure your transactions show clear recurring payments that Experian can identify. If anything looks missing, reconnecting the account often forces a fresh scan. Now explain another important limitation. Not all bills are eligible for Experian Boost. Only certain types of recurring payments that Experian can verify are included in updates. Now summarize the key points. Experian Boost updates after it scans and verifies eligible bank transactions. Timing depends on how clear and accessible your banking data is. And updates are not instant because every change has to be confirmed first. One practical next step: open your Experian Boost section and confirm your bank account is still connected, because most update delays come from broken or outdated connections. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit tools and how they actually work.